Hey, how you doing? Today, we finna be installing a JLT intake on my 2019 Dodge Charger RT. I'm gonna show y'all what I got underneath the hood right now. This is what I got underneath the hood right now. Ew. 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 Yeah, all this is coming out. So all I'm finna do, I'm finna pull this into the driveway over there. Let me give y'all a little cold start real quick. See how she sound. And we got the little Crocs on. Get a little. Yeah. Yeah.
I was like, damn, nigga, what you doing out here with all this ass?
Ugh.
Looks pretty simple. Mounting points are all right here.
There we go. I almost dropped my phone in my engine bay. Yeah. He did say his wheel gap is worse than mine. That wheel gap is pretty fucking horrendous. Oh shit. What? What? Honestly, I don't know who has the worst wheel gap.
Bro, your front tires are bald. I mean, his
Yo.
your front tires are bald.
Yo, stop coming for me.
This guy Drax looks great. He got an all-wheel drive out freaking Trackhawk. We've been doing them all-wheel drive burnouts, buddy.
What are you talking about?
Bro, you sure this thing ain't front-wheel drive?
You sure this thing ain't
The rears look much better. Bro, what is that, bro?
Is this the brand new tire? No, this is the tire that came with the car. No, it's not. You just gotta get in the center. Look at the. Look at my left. Every tire on the left side is good because that's one that got bought the other day, and this one got changed a while back.
Bro, that's crazy.
So it's really only the. It's the passenger side. It's just bald as shit.
Here, let me wrap my whole car with this, bro.
I'm crying. This should be able to come out now. Yeah. Yeah. That's up for sale. Take out the present. Let me take out the present out the back of the car. Santa came early today. Boy, if you don't get... Boom. I never even checked that I got the Hellcat tube. I know they gave it to me, but... I never even opened the box to see if they gave me the shit. Open this. You are now one of my elite employees.
You have been promoted.
Take my charger.
Come steal his cat. Come steal his cat.
Bombaclot. A big sit in this.
Bro, I need a new bumper.
Bro, I don't need a new bumper.
Bro.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Listen, when the wide body kit comes,
that's gonna cover it up, bro.
it's literally gonna cover all of this up. It might cover up here, but regardless, I'm gonna
Which
Respray
wide
it.
body are you getting?
Huh?
Which wide body are you getting?
That's a surprise. I ain't telling them yet.
It's not the V-Crest one, right?
It's not the V-Crest one.
What? Okay.
Yeah, this is gonna be one of one.
Oh, say less.
When are you strapping a Whipple on it, bro?
Strapping a Whipple on it. Yeah. No, it's getting a Hellcat supercharger on it.
Yeah, damn right.
Uh-huh. You know, I'm trying to hear that.
Wrap it up.
All right, I'm gonna put this rubber grommet inside here because I believe it's God damn.
You good, buddy?
I gotta put the rubber grommet in the hole to put the heat shield in. I already put the JLT sticker on here, and I was like, I ain't even put the JLT shit on. We don't even know if it fits.
It gonna fit, bro. Come on, man.
I know it's gonna fit. I'm gonna make it fit.
Pause.
I always make it fit.
All right, Nick. All right, Nick. Bro. Sounded like Diddy over there, bro.
No Diddy. Chill out. Chill. No Diddy. Please. Yo, I don't think this shit big enough.
That's what she said.
So technical difficulties, you know. No. Try to take out the IAT and yeah. Yeah, I blame him. He pulled it out too hard.
Pause.
Well, luckily we can just go to the nearest AutoZone and pick up a IAT for like $30. You know, because it's like Dodge things, American things, unlike Beamers where you have to get shit shipped across the country for a single part, you know. Tight shit. So I'm going to finish putting this thing together without an IAT for now. Then buy IAT on the way. Because I got to take this guy somewhere. Going to pick up some. What we picking up for your car? Valve cover gaskets for his Beamer. Yeah. Alright, so next clip I'm gonna be finished putting this together for now. Oh God. Yo, I'm scared. Next time we have to take off the bumper and put on the Hellcat, but we can at least hear and record this. We need you to. Alright. We're gonna have to see how this bitch sound like. I'm scared. Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Yo, that's fire. Gotta take off the sound deadening, bro. That's all I'm saying. Take off the sound deadening so you can hear it. When, like, if you were riding like with the windows down in front of him, you could hear him when he got on the accelerator. It was crazy. It sounded crazy.
All right. Gonna take off the front bumper. Put on the Hellcat tube.
The tube, which will
They
direct.
can't see the damn tube.
Nah, they can't really. That'll direct the air going
Ripping
from
out
the
the
front.
plastic, you know, I'm coming brand new.
That's crazy, bro. Get out of here, bro.
Oh my gosh.
So we got the air.
Yeah. 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 This is gonna go in here like that through the headlight. Over there. That's gonna come.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Maximum suction.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yo, can one of y'all freaks step on the throttle a couple times? God damn. Oh my. Just had a little bit up. He had to spit on it a little bit. IAT sensors in. All right. You can throw that away. Don't need to return it because it works. Hold this for a minute.
There you go.
All right. I guess she didn't want me to touch her no more. She wants some other nigga to touch her. All right. Be like that, shorty. Heard. Yeah, put in your address.
Starting route to home.
All right.
Proceed to West Ferris Street.
Bitch.
Turn right.
Shut up.
Well,
Just gonna only get a. Yo, this kid plugged it out.
no.
Oh, so you just got a shit phone connection.
Hold on, let me get my seatbelt on. Cause there was an op creeping around here earlier.
I don't know if I'm going left or right. Cause this guy's.
She's calling me. Why?
Oh my god. It screams. It screams. It definitely screams. I feel like a new man.
Where? Where, behind us?